So today I'm going to be making an adjustable adapter plate for the bottom of the 79cc Predator engine. I'll determine the bolt circle by measuring the length and width of the center points of the bolts and draw them up on this plate here. As you can see, here's the original corner here, and here, and here, and here. I have determined how far I want the motor to be able to slide for chain adjustment, so I've drilled holes slightly over, I believe a 1/16 over the bolt size, here to here. And I will take this grinder with the cutoff wheel. It's narrow, it lasts a long time, and I will run it down the lines there and cut the center piece out so that this piece will be gone. It would be very nice to have put this on a milling machine and just mill these out, but this is the path I've chose to do with this particular plate. And as you can see, I have ground through sides there that I marked with a Sharpie. I'll remove this little piece, and I will go in with a file and kind of pretty that up a little bit and move on from there. And as you can see, this first little slot I did was came out pretty nice there, and I'll make 3 more. And by the way, this particular piece of material was 1/8. So anyway, about like that. So there you go. And so there is basically the finished product. Free to adjust either way for your chain tensioner. You can make these for just about any projects. And that's all for today. Have a great day. Subscribe.